Connor Yates. I've been here for 7 years. I started here as like a janitor. I was just cleaning the shop, and I've been welding for about 6 years now. I learned everything while I was here, so this place has been pretty good to me. This is the bigger area, so like when you first start welding, you're gonna start out in a little area, just welding thumbs, and then once you've been here a while and you learn how to fabricate, they'll put you in a bigger area. You'll start doing more serious stuff. Everybody's pretty good. It's just a lot of good people around here. You're not gonna get mistreated. I mean, it's laid back. Nobody's gonna raise their voice at you. Everybody's just real polite, you know. Can't complain about it. Not really. I'm gonna get them back. You know, what goes around comes around. Just trying to stay outside. I try to have hobbies outside of work. You gotta have something to keep them wheels going. So I'm always outside golfing, trying to have a good time. Hunting, fishing, bass. I hunt deer, turkey, pretty much anything, you know. Anything that will eat good. Nothing too crazy, you know, but I'm working on it. So maybe that'll come around. All right, we're going with the progressive link assembly because they turn my hair gray sometimes. They're really tedious, but I mean, customers keep on ordering them. We got to keep them rolling out the door. I'm starting to learn them a little bit better, starting to find them more enjoyable. There's a lot more that goes into it, so we're just gonna keep on working on it, and hopefully I'll get better at them. When our manager, AJ, first started working here, he said he had been working at Johnny's Pizza his entire life. He said he'd never worked in any field like this. And me and Jason were standing out back, and it was probably like his first week, second week here. And he was bringing a pallet with probably like 5 buckets on it. And he was going too fast. And all the buckets fell everywhere off the pallet, just rolled out in the yard. And me and Jason looked at each other and said, he ain't never gonna last. And I mean, you know, he's doing great. So he's been here long. He's the best manager we got. You know, he's cool. So. I'm always going around picking stuff off the floor, taking the trash out for him. You know, I try to do that once or twice a week. I feel like it makes a difference. If you see something on the floor, you should pick it up, you know. Treat this place like it's your home. Be on time. That's the most important thing, you know. You got to be on time to everything you do. I mean, you want to be the first one to get here and the last one to leave. That'll pay off in the long run no matter what you do. So always be on time. This is Connor Yates signing out from Solesbee. Y'all have a good day.